In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your commercial use rights in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly AI account and enter the dashboard. Next, click on My Purchases at the top menu. Inside your Purchases section, you'll be able to view your current membership plan and the features included with your account. Artistly AI usually includes commercial use rights with its offers, which means you can use your generated images for business projects, client work, marketing, social media content, print on demand, and other commercial purposes depending on your plan. You can review the details included with your membership directly from this section. Simply click on Check Details button under your current plan to view more details and confirm the commercial rights connected to your purchase. If you want more detailed information, you can also check the official terms or sales page for the latest commercial use policy. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.